Welcome everyone to yet another video. Today we will take a closer look at Elgato Stream Deck, not to be confused with the Steam Deck which will come out sometimes next year. I have two of those in my possession. This one is Mark 1 and is a classic Steam Deck, and this one here is Mark 2 and it is Stream Deck XL. So let's take a closer look, shall we? If you don't know what the Stream Deck is, it's basically a keyboard. But it is special because under those keypads it has a display and you can map various applications up there. And there are many extensions. I will need to figure this out as I install the software, and it will be challenging under Linux because there is no official support. This one is Mark 1 because you can tell by the cable which is directly connected, and there is no way how to disconnect this cable from this Steam Deck. So if this will be a short one, I will need to buy an extension cable. But this one I bought from the second hand and I thought it will be perfect for my travels, because it's easy to pack, and in that case I think the length of the cable is just enough. What I will use on my daily work is this one, which is a bigger version and newer version, Steam Deck XL. This has more buttons, otherwise it's almost the same, and it should have a detachable USB-C cable. Alright, so let's start with the unboxing. It's supposed to be really easy. Just cut those two pieces and open this up. So, what's in the box? Steam Deck manual. Nice quality of paper, really. Some basic guidelines how to use that, and it's in multiple languages, which is always nice. Then there is the Steam Deck itself. Wow, nice. So I have like let's compare those two. This has 5 buttons in a row. This one has 8 times 4 versus 5 times 3. So a big difference. And if you have a big desk as I do, definitely go with this model. It has also a nice stand, and I have no idea how to open that, but I will figure this out. So what's next? Oh, braided USB-C cable, nice. And some warranty information, I suppose. Yeah, I hope you can see that. So, really nice piece of gear, and this will be really fun to use once I figured out how to set this up. The USB cable goes here. I hope I can plug this somehow, probably like this. Yeah. And let's remove that one as well, this strap. Oh, I thought there is something like this, definitely, because plugging the cable would be otherwise really impractical. So, as you can see, you can use this Stream Deck XL also as a separate without the stand, which is really nice. You can make your own on a 3D printer or on something else. I will use this stand for now, so let's put it back like this. Yeah, and that is it. So cable, deck, and what's left to do is plugging it into my computer. So let's talk first why I decided to buy one of those. I bought them for a couple of usages. First, I plan to use that in the Obs Studio. If you are not familiar with Obs Studio, it's a tool used for live streamers, or for example, if you want to capture some footage from your desktop, including my commentary. You can define multiple scenes in there. For example, one scene could be my talking head, like you see right now, and I can switch to other scene where is, for example, my talking head in a right below corner, along with something else, for example, a browser window with a website I'm showing on the screen. And normally, if I want to switch between those two scenes, I need to go to the Obs Studio and click with my mouse on the other scene, or maybe there is a shortcut on my keyboard, I didn't check that. However, with this part I can just click on a button and instantly I can switch between scenes as I do my live stream, and I can focus on doing the live stream in front of a camera, which is really nice. The other obvious use and the main reason why I decided to buy this gear is the editing software I'm using. Basically, I can map the common functionality to cut and edit the pieces of a video to these buttons, and I hope this will save me some time in the post-production while making those videos you are watching right now. And of course, I'm a programmer, so if there is a way how to map anything else on those buttons, I will definitely try it out. I hope those buttons are really universal and I can write my own extensions if needed, and use that for all my work, not just for editing videos, but also for triggering my favorite applications or whatever comes to my mind. I take this as yet another keyboard which will serve for different purposes, but it still can be really useful. So this one here is the default setup. As you can see, there is the Elgato logo and nothing else. When I press those buttons, nothing actually happens, so I will need to definitely install the software and probably the extensions. Installation of the official software was really straightforward and I had no issues doing that. If you open the main application, on the right side you can find all the actions you can map to the buttons. And also there is a marketplace where you can install third-party extensions. For example, I installed the Visual Studio extension, Spotify extension, Fubar extension and a couple of others. Once you map the button, the change is immediately shown on the Elgato Stream Deck. And with that, thank you very much for your attention. If you liked the video, you know what to do, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.